Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Rowe. We're looking in geometry part A. This is lesson 10, relationships within triangles part A. And we're going to look at an example like number 7. This is a real simple question. Let's make it as simple as possible. All you got to do is know what the information means. So here's what the information means. You're told that point T is the circumcenter. So right here is the circumcenter of the triangle. So go back and look at what the circumcenter means. The circumcenter is where the perpendicular bisectors intersect. So perpendicular bisector. So that means this segment right here is a perpendicular bisector. It goes right through the center at a right angle. Same with PE and same with FT. So once that happens, there's some things that happens. Well, what does a bisector mean? Bisector means that the segments or it intersects at the midpoint. So that means that these segments are congruent right there. These segments are congruent, and these segments are congruent. So when I ask you to list all congruent segments, you start off by listing those on around the outside. So right here we got PD, small. So we got PD is congruent to, using correct notation, DQ. Then go all the way around and list those. QE, congruent to ER. Keep going, go around. And we got PF, congruent to FR. So those are the ones around the outside. That's our Mr. So, but there's some inside the triangle as well. And this goes to another statement right there in the lesson, the concurrency of perpendicular bisectors. The perpendicular bisectors of the sides of the triangles are concurrent at a point equidistant from the vertices. So a point equidistant, equal distant from the vertices. So this point is the same distance to each one of the vertices. So what does that mean? That means that inside that triangle, and I'm going to use 4, I shouldn't, but I'm going to. These are congruent. So I'm going to state that PT is congruent to TQ, congruent to TR. I hope this helps you with number 7 and the lesson content. If you're still struggling with it as you're working, please let me know in a teacher message or make an appointment for a help session.